Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to create custom agents in StackSpot AI. When setting up an agent in StackSpot, you're responsible for customizing its interactions with the platform. This includes modifying system prompts and knowledge sources to increase efficiency and facilitate development. You have the flexibility to create specialized agents for different tasks, like, for example, an agent that generates user stories, another to create code and conduct QA on the generated code, and much more. Now let's create a product management assistant agent for creating user stories. First, access the StackSpot AI Portal and log in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Agents section in the main menu on the left and click the Create Agents button. Fill in the following information to set up your agent. First, the agent's name, then the system prompt. Here we define the instructions for your agent's behavior and skills. In the suggested prompts, we'll add optional predefined questions to help users start conversations with the agent. In the conversation mode option, you can choose whether the agent should be interactive or provide single responses for more systematic tasks, like APIs, pipelines, and responses. Here we'll choose the single response option because we want the response with the user story. You can also add specific knowledge sources for the agent to improve its responses. It will only use the ones you selected and won't search other knowledge sources, KS, from the account. In the KS settings, you can configure the similarity search function, which is a way to find and compare similar items. This technique is widely used in artificial intelligence to offer more accurate recommendations. Here we need to choose the maximum number of knowledge objects considered in the search and the relevance threshold. By default, StackSpot uses 4 fragments of knowledge objects and considers 73% relevance, but you can adjust it as needed. Done agent configured. Now, click on Finish, and in the chat, you can test your agent and ensure it works as expected. If you want to share your agent, click on the Share button and choose to share it with users by adding their email addresses. And that's it. Now you know how to create and configure agents in StackSpot AI. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.